Today we are going to study 10 advanced phrases which you can use in IELTS exam, daily conversation at workplace to sound more fluent. Let's jump right in. Number one is on a pedestal. On a pedestal means thinking of someone as perfect, often ignoring their flaws. Don't put him on a pedestal. He is a human and makes mistakes like everyone else. Phrase number two is jumping the gun. Jumping the gun means when you do something before appropriate time or before all instruction or information. I think you are jumping the gun by announcing the result before the final check. It's a small word. It's a small word means that we are closely related or it is used to express surprise how people or events are unexpectedly connected. I met my school friend in Spain after 10 years. It's a small word. Missed the boat. Missed the boat means that too slow to take advantage or didn't take action when you should have. I wanted to buy the phone on sale, but I missed the boat. Next is the ship has sailed. It means the opportunity has gone and now you cannot do anything. I wanted to invest last year, but now the prices are too high. The ship has sailed. Burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil means to work a late night, long hours, especially to finish or to meet some deadline. We had to burn the midnight oil to meet the project deadline. Pick up someone's brain. Pick up someone's brain means to ask questions. Asking questions to someone and asking for their ideas, information, advice, because they know more about that particular thing than you do. Can I pick your brain about making YouTube thumbnails? I want to pick your brains on IELTS speaking. Get off on the wrong foot. It means a bad start of something. Like it means to start a relationship or situation badly because of a mistake, misunderstanding, or confusion. I got off wrong with my new manager because I was late on the first day. Up in the air. Up in the air means still not settled, still not planned. Our holiday plans are still up in the air. The meeting was still up in the air. They haven't finalized it. And number 10 is take it with a grain of salt. It means to not fully believe it, to not take it too seriously. Take online views with a grain of salt. Some of them are fake. So I hope you like all these 10 phrases and you have understand it well as I've given you examples with it. I hope you like these phrases and you're going to use it in your daily conversation, in IELTS exam, everywhere. Tell me in the comments which phrase do you like most. See you in the next video.